How to delete all your TikTok videos in one click. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your TikTok application and then go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Then from your top right, tap on the menu bar. After that, go to settings and privacy. Now, go to report a problem. Then go to account and profile. Select profile page. Now go to other and then tap on no. After that, go to need more help. Or what you can do is simply write your message saying, I want all my videos to be downloaded. Sorry, to be deleted. And rest is on TikTok's support center. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down.